everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9.
Hey guys, so I really want to do a makeup look, so I'm thinking if I should put my wig on first and then do the makeup look, or yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So today's wig is Alipearl hair. They sent me over this pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-styled wig, and it's braided, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and then I'll do my makeup after. Okay, so before I unbox it, I'm just going to put on my wig cap. So I'm going to sleek down my edges and then put on the wig cap, because I feel like it's a better idea to put it on first, just so I can make sure that it's really looking melted, especially because I feel like I'm going to be doing a glueless method today. I'm going to put it on first so that the mousse could actually make everything melt. So now I'm gonna unbox the wig. So this is the packaging that they have now. It's gold, as you can see. Then when you open it up, the wig is right at the top. They put some extra some tapes in here, so we're gonna be using these tapes today. I'm gonna lay it down along my sides and see if this works. And then they put a satin bag, a mirror, very cute mirror, brush, edge brush, band, and a cap. And this is the thin cap, exactly like the one I'm wearing, and that's all that came in the packaging. Okay, so this is the wig. This is a 24-inch human hair wig. So this is the packaging it comes in. It's a straight wig, so I'm just gonna open it and show you. This is the hair straight out of the box. Ooh, it feels nice and weighted. Like, the density feels really good. It's giving me 200% density vibes, but it's 180 because that's what they label it. But this is how, look at that. Look at the lace on my hand. Look at that. Melted. This is the top of the lace. Then this is the side of the lace. They did the edges already. Look how melted that is. Look at the hairstyle. And I did not put no color yet, so imagine once it has color, it's gonna look so freaking amazing. I'm excited, especially like this is gonna be glueless, so we're using tape. So this is their wear and go wig, 24 inches straight, pre-braided down in the front. This is the inside of the wig, so it has no combs or anything. I wish it did come with a comb. Oh, it came with a comb. Okay, I was saying I wish it had a comb in the back, but it has one in the back, which is really good. It does not have the adjustable straps at the back, but it has one inside the wig right here. So I'm gonna tighten that as tight as possible to make sure that this is snug. When you're doing a glueless install, you want to make sure that the band is as tight so that it's gonna lay flat on your head. Okay, so it actually comes with 3 combs. It comes with one at the very back, and it comes with 2 at the sides right here in the wig. But they took the one that's normally up here, they took it out, which is really good. That means that this wig is going to feel very snug and comfortable and flat. No tension on your head whatsoever. So I'm going to put it on my head. Let's see how it looks without any foundation. So I did not put no foundation yet, so I'm going to go ahead and just put it on my head like so. It has no foundation yet. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna have to go and fix over the top part right here because it's just a little bit too loose. And then also the wig is laying on top of my ear, so the ear part could have a little bit more lace right here because now it's laying on top of my ear, and I really don't have anywhere to cut because the cap is right here. So this is how it's looking straight out of the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and fix it. I'm gonna put on my hot comb and we're gonna fix. Oh, I'm wearing a top, by the way. I don't know, it probably looks like I'm not, but I am. But the hair itself is very nice. It's full and it's thick. Because now, okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but the cap is on my ear here, and I can't cut it because then I'm going to be cutting into the cap on the wig. I'm going to just have to leave it like this. So I'm not going to be using any tape or anything like that because there's nothing to really hold down because it's like laying on top of my ear. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is how the wig is looking. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fix it up so it can actually look good. And you guys know I do not use glue on my hair, but I do use spray. So this is gonna be a spray install. If I do not put spray on it, it's not gonna look good. So I'm gonna put some foundation on it so you guys can see. So yeah, so it's very nice, but I want it to stay on my head. So I am going to go ahead and fix it up how I would normally do. And also I need to fix this ponytail at the top because as you can see, this is how it's looking. It's just like sitting there and it's not giving. So I'm just going to kind of fix it up, put it a little bit tighter. Yeah, a little bit tighter. So I'm going to use some of my Ebin melting spray. I'm going to just spray it. I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna spray the front of the lace, and then you can go ahead and blow dry it and then tie it down for 15 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna tie down the top for 15 minutes. Okay, and once the top, hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes starting now.
Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and fix the top here because it was not laying right. So I'm going to hot comb this down. So I want to put some wax to make sure that it stays, and you want to hold this, you want to smooth it down and hold it very flat. And I'm going to take some of that hair from the back to make sure that this does not lift up. Now I'm going to take back the same rubber band that came with it, and I'm actually going to use one of my stronger rubber bands. So I'm going to use 2. Okay, and then I'm gonna put a little bit on the sides and just hot comb the sides down. I'm gonna use some Got2b, and I'm going to use my edge brush and just brush it through. It's pretty straight out of the packaging, but I just want to pass the flat iron over it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses number 12 powder and just fix up the parts and the lines. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of this BioSilk, like literally a dot. I really don't need this because the hair itself is already very soft, but just want to put a little bit in it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of baby hairs on the side. This wig already came with baby hairs, so I'm just going to trim them down a little bit because they're a little bit long. Looks like this.
Pray you get that job in time, bro. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A peace of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you trying to